Hello YouTube, and take a deep breath. I found my ratchet ball screwdrivers, and they're right where I told you they was. I told you I had them on a shelf. I want to show you this. If you can't read this, it says Creative Tools, Tool, not plural, Creative Tool Incorporated. Okay? It starts with a B something, and I'll try to get a picture. Vermont. Okay, now this side says really nothing. It said like something US something here. 787, some number, part number. It don't say US. Oh, US patent number, USP. So there was the patent number. Okay. And maybe it said it. But if you look in here, you can almost see, let's get up here, the little pawls in there. Let me get a pointer. I want you to look right in here. Just look inside that outer edge, okay? Watch it come around. I think you can see a little. See it go by? See a little silver thing go by? The little pawls, like in a ratchet. Now, listen to the difference in this one and the feel, okay? I think I chopped this down like a dummy, because I didn't like how long it was, and I'll show you what I wish I wouldn't have. Let's listen to this. Okay, now this one's totally junk. See the thing even fell out? And these will not interchange. This one's too loose than the other one. It fits in here too tight. Look at that. It don't even want to go in there. This only has two-pronged metal thing. And this one has, let's just pull them apart. We got plenty of time. See the difference? That has four. This is broke. See where there's 1, 2. So you know it had 4. It has edges, total junk. We're going to dissect this one and see what it looks like. Okay? Sunday in the shop video. You got to remind me. You got to remind me. Listen to this thing. This thing, you could watch this jump in my hand almost. Listen to this clunky thing. I can feel it vibrate right here on this orange. Hear it? It's junk. We're going to scrap it. It's going to be one of the how does it work videos. Almost like something's stripping out. And I can feel it vibrating in there. So we're going to cut this apart, do whatever. So we're not even going to clean it. But it isn't a shame that this does not fit in here as tight as the other one. Because I wished it was either broke or something. Because this don't have a magnet, has a clip. That has a magnet. This has a wire clip. I'm sure, let me look. Yeah, this is that old wire clip thing. It's a piece of U-shaped wire that would snag on the bed. Well, that has a notch in it, but that still shouldn't. You see how worn it is? I'm going to pull the tape off and see what I bet you, I'll show you a picture, and I bet you I welded it. But we're going to polish this one. So look here at the pictures at the end. We're going to polish this up. And we'll try to get some close-up pictures because this will probably disappear. We want it clean. It's pretty scrungy. They're basically the same. The Scout Crafter has probably two. In fact, in today's video, new old stock, he's got one and I can't remember the name. So, well, you can give that to a kid for a toy. I sat there and I'd play with that for an hour until I got yelled at. Stop that! I love things that made noise when I was a little kid. You know that I had to if I could enjoy that. My brother had one. Did you use on your door panels on your car in the 60s? With all them screws? Oh man, before power screwdrivers, this is what you do interior work. I'm telling you, interior trim work with the screws. Oh man, you'll just get those screws in and out. Remember the ones that had that inset chrome washer with the screw set down in there? The old guys know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, you just sit there and get that door panel screws in and out so fast. I mean, it was just... That's it. We talked about that enough. I just had to make a video because I found them. But I said, look at the pictures. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up a little bit. And I'll get this out and show you how nasty it looks. But get to remember, we're going to dissect that in Sunday's shop. We're junking that. Oh, one of my first bald screwdrivers I made. And you ask, he's talking about crazing with epoxy? That's that HF stuff. Look, I go, I had that. That's a Harbor Freight epoxy. I use that whatever from the Hobby Lobby, Bob and Smith or whatever. You know, you guys have seen the package enough. But look at that. See that in there? Yeah. That's nasty looking. It was either that or the drill bits were awful nasty. I was chewing at it with. But straight blade, it's really not useful. This would be better as a shifter knob. And I have the dinky version. I wish anything I had more of these. They're almost exactly the size of a golf ball. See? Okay, we're gone. We got to quit making these long videos. Stop it! Flashback to a little kid. Jimmy, we're making that noise! Irritate my brother.